Hi, I'm Geronimo from Rebag, and I'm here to teach you a few different spot treatments to fix minor stains and marks on your bags. Our number one expert tip is to prevent any wear. Avoid situations that may damage your bag, like taking it out in heavy rain or leaving loose makeup or pens that could break. However, life happens and you can't expect to keep your bag in perfect condition. If your bag sustains major wear, like heavy oil or ink stains, we recommend finding a professional cleaning service. If you're tackling only minor stains and marks, these are our tips. Cleaning small fabric stains. For small fabric stains, apply soft laundry stain remover onto a microfiber cloth and gently dab the stains out. Try to avoid solvents that contain bleach. Polishing hardware tarnish. For hardware tarnishes, use a polishing pen. If you opt for liquid solution instead, use a small cloth to apply it on the hardware. You don't want to stain other parts of your bag. Treating leather. For marks on traditional leather, you can normally buff them out with the cloth. This material is rather sensitive, so best to leave it if you personally cannot remove it. Treating patent leather. For marks or scuffs on patent leather, use a leather scuff remover of your choice. Simply apply a small amount of solution to a Q-tip and gently buff the mark. Once you're satisfied, make sure to wipe off the solution entirely. Treating suede, pony hair, and fur. For special materials like these, a suede brush can dislodge dirt or light stains. Lightly brush the material in the same direction it falls in, unless it's suede, which you can brush in different directions. Odor and smell. For odor issues, like heavy perfume, air out the bag as much as possible. You can test products like dryer sheets or an absorbent air sponge if the smell is very strong. And finally, we recommend erring on the side of caution. Always test products on an inconspicuous area. Only attempt what you feel comfortable doing yourself. Your handbag collection deserves the ultimate treatment. Thanks for watching these tips. We hope it keeps your collection in excellent shape.